Polynomial division example 4. So once again we seem to have a missing term. We're going to set up under the bus stop. And note for the first time here we're dividing by an expression that doesn't have 1 as the coefficient of x. So this one could get quite fiddly. So we've got x cubed plus 3x squared. Then we have no x's. Remember, we must do that to keep everything nicely in a column. Take away 2. So what do we multiply 2x by to get x cubed? Well, that would need to be a half x squared. So then multiply. Well, it does give us x cubed. But then we get minus a half x squared, and this is where it's going to start to get nasty. So if we subtract here, the minus minus gives us a plus. So we're doing 3 add a half. So that's 6 halves add 1 half. So that's going to give us 7 over 2 x squareds, and bring down the next term. What do we multiply 2x by to get 7 over 2x squared? So if we multiply by 7 over 2 x's multiplied by 2x, that would give us 7 x's. So I think it's going to be 7 over 4 in order to give us the 7 over 2x squared. So we need to multiply by 7 over 4 x's, and that will work. So then we get 7 over 2 x squareds when we multiply this by this, and take away 7 over 4 x's. So these should disappear, and we'll end up with 7 over 4 x's just here, and then bring down the 2. So if we do 2x, if we multiply that by 7 over 8, that will give me my 7 over 4 x's. So we're going to add 7 over 8 up here, and then multiply, and that gives me my 7 over 4 x's, so those will cancel, and take away 7 over 8. So I've got negative 2 plus 7 over 8 when I do this subtraction. So that's negative 16 over 8, add 7 over 8, which is negative 9 over 8.